And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok too many login attempts. So what this problem is trying to say is if you're trying to log in into your TikTok multiple times within a single day, let's say more than 10 or 20 times, you're just trying to log in into your TikTok account more than 10 times in a single day, then it's going to show you this because TikTok thinks that you're a hacker and you're trying to log in into somebody else's, account. So if you're like really trying to log in into your account many times, then you're going to receive the message. And how you guys can fix that is by watching this video and reinstalling it again. Sometimes just deleting and reinstalling your TikTok should fix this problem. What this is going to do is this is going to reset your TikTok, and TikTok will now think that okay, you're trying to log in into your account only one time, so it's going to work. And the other thing is, if your TikTok account is like currently logged in into another device, so let's say you have two mobiles and your TikTok is logged in into like the another device, what you can do is log out from that device and try to log in into this device. It should work. Sometimes when you're trying to log in into your TikTok account from multiple devices, it's also going to show you that. So log out from any other device where your TikTok is logged in and it should work. If it's still not working, what you can do is go to App Store over here and search for TikTok. Why you want to search for TikTok is to check if there's any update or not. Sometimes due to you lack of updating your TikTok, it's going to show you this. So come over here and click on update. If it says open, that means you don't have to worry about it. Your TikTok is up to date. But if it says update over here, you gotta click on it and update your TikTok. Even after updating your TikTok, deleting and reinstalling your TikTok, and logging out of every single device your TikTok is logged in into still not working, what you can do is wait for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, try to log in into your TikTok account again. It should work. So this this error is only gonna be activated for 24 hours. It's like TikTok trying to secure an account from any hackers. So if you're getting this and if all the solutions I told you didn't work, then just wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it should work. Alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix your too many attempts, try again later problem in TikTok.